Hi developers, today I'm going to tell you how to use MySQL Commands to create table, databases, insert value in it, all these things we're going to talk about. Let's start by typing cmd, alright, and use cd to get in folders, okay, one more, and program files. Make sure you're typing correctly, okay, and then cd mysql, let's see, okay, and cd mysql server, like this, I think, server. I'm using 8.0 version. Okay, and cd bin, let's see, okay, and then mysql, don't use cd this time, mysql dot root and p. Let's see, I'm not sure if I wrote correctly. Here we go, and the password, of course I'm not going to tell you. Let's see, okay, finished then. Let's see first what we have as a databases by typing show databases, okay. Okay, so I want to create students databases. Create a database which call students create databases students. Okay, so be great. Let's check if it was created. Show databases. Yes, syntax error. Show. Yes, here, as you see, students was created. Okay, so use student. Let's get in these databases. Okay, database change. So let's see if there is any tables in it. No, it's empty. Let's create a table in student databases. How to create databases? Create table by coding create table. I want it to be A, B, C. Okay, here, and oh, I made something wrong. Okay, let me look. Create table A, B, C. Okay. All right, the next one. So I want to put two values. One of them name in Turkish, isim. Let it be Turkish. Isim. Okay. 30 can be comments, and yash, which means age, will be integer because you're gonna insert integer as a value. That's why I put it like this. Okay, I'm closing. Okay, let's see. Alright, so table was created which has two values, isim and yash. One of them is integer. And then let's get in value, insert in this table, insert into, we use, what was the name of table? ABC. Okay, and then, okay, what we have, common, yes, okay, like that. Values, yes. Let it be okay. Okay. Let it be okay. All right. And the age will be 20. All right, let's check if we did correctly. Yes, let's see if it worked. All right, done. So let's see the tables to check if it was created correctly. Yes, we create one table AB, see which called ABC. And if you wanna drop all these databases, which code is used? Let's see. Drop databases A. Student. Let's see. All right. So all we did done. I hope you like and enjoy. Thanks for watching.